Alright guys, I just wanted to shoot a quick video. I am currently filming on the Panasonic Lumix G7. I really love that camera, takes some good video. So the problem is I've been wanting to use it in some of my videos with my wireless microphone, and every time I would try to use it, it would create this weird hum, buzzing sound. So let me go ahead and connect it directly into the camera. Alright, so I am now connected with the wireless mic accessory directly into the camera. So what I've been told is going on, I've been doing research on the internet, there's a Wi-Fi signal inside the camera, and it somehow does not play well with these wireless accessories, especially when they are connected very close to the camera. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like right now and then what I did to fix it. So this accessory here just picks up a signal from your camera that because there's a Wi-Fi signal for an app that you can use to download photos or whatever. Let me go ahead and pull this out and I'll show you how I fixed it. Alright, so here's the fix. This is just another audio cable, so you just gotta have the same inputs to be able to connect it to here. You want to get something that's probably at least a foot long, if not longer. I think this cord is probably not 2 feet, but maybe like 16-18 inches or so. This component of the wireless mic, it's providing enough distance to where there's no interference and you're not getting that horrible buzzing sound. Try this fix. Get one of these types of cables, an audio cable that's, I would say, at least foot long, maybe longer. So I'm so happy to report that I finally am able to fix my G7 camera and not have that annoying hum and just have regular, nice, crisp, clean audio. I hope this workaround will help you with your camera. Other cameras, like some Sony cameras, have that issue as well. Maybe as far as other brands, this fix could help as well. It's not the most professional look, but it gets the job done.